Imagine earning money online even if you have no experience, no coding skills, and no big investment. Sounds impossible. In this video, I'll show you 7 real ways people are using AI tools to make money in 2026. Stay until the end because the last method has huge potential for beginners. Method 1. AI Content Writing 030-120. Businesses and bloggers need articles every day. You can use AI to draft blog posts, product descriptions, emails, or social media captions, and then review and improve them before delivering to clients. Many freelancers offer writing services after adding their own editing and expertise. Method 2. AI Video Creation 120-210. Creators and businesses need videos for YouTube, TikTok, and marketing. AI tools can help with scripting, voiceovers, avatars, and editing. Add your own creativity and customization to produce original videos for clients or your own channels. Method 3. Graphic Design 210-300. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and marketing materials using design tools. By learning basic design principles and improving AI-generated drafts, you can provide valuable services. Method 4. Voiceover Services 300-350. Many YouTubers and businesses need voiceovers. AI voice tools can help create natural narration, but always make sure you have the rights to use the voices and that your work follows the platform's terms. Method 5. Social Media Management 350-440. AI can help generate content ideas, captions, and posting schedules. You can combine that with your own planning to help businesses stay active on social media. Method 6. Sell digital products 445-30. You can create planners, templates, checklists, or printable resources with AI assistance and sell them through online marketplaces. Make sure your products are original and provide real value. Method 7. Start a YouTube channel 530-640. One of the most scalable options is building your own YouTube channel. Use AI to help research topics, draft scripts, generate visuals, and edit videos, but add your own voice, fact-checking, and unique presentation. Revenue can come from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing once your audience grows. Learn one skill instead of trying everything. Improve AI output with your own edits and ideas. Stay consistent and keep publishing quality work. Focus on solving real problems for viewers or clients. If you found these AI money-making ideas useful, like this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Which method would you try first? Let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video.